students, in previous class I had taught you Roman numerals. You have learned that Hindu Arabic numerals are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. These numbers were adopted by European countries, and there is another system of writing numerals called the Roman numerals. संख्याओं को लिखने की एक अलग पद्धति है जिसे हम रोमन पद्धति कहते हैं, और 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 these numerals are called Hindu Arabic numerals. I had written some rules of Roman numerals. Again, I am going to repeat you that repetition of a symbol in a Roman numeral means addition as many times it is repeated. यदि किसी संख्या का कोई संकेत यदि रिपीट होता है, बार बार रिपीट होता है, इसका अर्थ है जो हमें जोड़ना है, जोड़ की क्रिया करनी है. ओनली IXCM कैन बी रिपीटेड. केवल 1, 10, 100 and 1000 कैन बी रिपीटेड. यही संख्याएं बार बार दोहराई जाती है. एंड V and D आर नेवर रिपीटेड. V मीन्स 5, 50 and 500 को कभी भी रिपीट नहीं किया जाता है. A no symbol in a Roman numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. मोर देन 3 टाइम्स. 3 से अधिक बार हम किसी संख्या को रिपीट नहीं कर सकते हैं, चाहे वह संख्या M हो या C हो या कोई भी न्यूमरल हो, उसको हम 3 से अधिक बार रिपीट नहीं कर सकते हैं. एंड द रूल 2 इज ए स्मॉलर न्यूमरल रिटेन इन द राइट ऑफ ए लार्ज न्यूमरल. लार्जर न्यूमरल इज एडेड टू द लार्जर न्यूमरल. यदि कोई छोटी संख्या बड़ी संख्या के आगे में हो तो उसे जोड़ा जाता है, वहाँ पर जोड़ते हैं. एंड इफ a smaller number retained to the right of a larger number is added to the larger number. जैसे 6 को हम लिखते हैं 5 + 1. फॉर 5 we write V + 1 is equal to 6. So a smaller number written to the right of a larger number is added to the larger number. And rule 3, a smaller number written to the left of a smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is subtracted from the larger number. यदि किसी बड़ी संख्या से पहले कोई छोटी संख्या हो तो इसका अर्थ है यहाँ पर घटाव होगा. एंड रूल 4, when a smaller number is placed between 2 larger numerals. यदि 2 बड़ी संख्याओं के बीच में एक छोटी संख्या हो तब उसे हम आगे जो बड़ी संख्या है उसमें से इसे घटा देते हैं. सो these rules are written. I had written in previous class. Now I am going to write you some Roman numerals. To write as for example, we have to example 1. Roman numerals. Exercise Exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6. Example 1. As for example, we have to write the following in Roman numerals. A 73. Write in Roman numerals. Write in Roman numerals. 73. For 73, we can write 70 plus 3. And for 70, we can write 50 plus 20 plus 3. And for 50, we write L, 50 for L, and 20 for we write double X, L double X plus 3, or for 3 we write 1, 2, 3. So in Roman numeral 73 is equal to LXX double 3. I had written in rules, if a smaller number is written to the right of a, here a smaller number is written to the right of a larger number, so we add. So we add with a larger number. Here 73, 3 is a smaller number, and 3 is written in the right of a larger number. So we add 3, and 70 plus 3 is equal to, for 50 plus 20 plus 3. For 50 we write L, and for 20 we write double X, and for 3 we write 1, 1, 1. So in Roman numeral 73 is equal to L double X 3. And next example 92. For 92 we can write 90 plus 2. And for 90 we can write 100 minus 10 plus 2. Of 100 minus 10, for 100 minus 10 we write 100 minus 10 we write XC, or for 2 we write 1, 1. So in Roman numeral 92 is equal to XC double 1. Here we see that a smaller number is written in the left of a larger number, so we subtract X from C. For C we write 100 and X for 10. So in Roman 92 is equal to XC double 2. And similarly, you can solve all examples of examples 1. And example 2, write the following in Roman numerals. Example 2, write the following Write the following in Roman numerals. रोमन न्यूमरल्स। निम्नलिखित संख्याओं को रोमन अंक में लिखें। एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल 324। एग्जाम्पल इज 324। we know that any symbol can be repeated 3 times. For 300 we can write 300 plus 20 plus 4. For 300 we can write 3C. C, symbol C represents 100. So for 300 we can write 3C. C represents 300. And for 20 we can write double X. And for 4 we can write IX. 4 IV. So here in Roman numeral 324 is equal to 3C plus double X plus IV plus. So in this way we can write the following in Roman numerals. Now example 3, write the following in Hindu Arabic numerals. Write the following example 3. Similarly, you can solve all examples of all problems of example 2. And now I am going to understand example 3. Example 3, we have to write the following in Hindu Arabic numerals. Write in Hindu Arabic न्यूमरल। रोमन संख्याओं को हिंदू अरबिक पद्धति में लिखें। रोमन संख्याओं को एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल डबल एक्स वी आई in double X VI. We have to write this number in Hindu Arabic numeral. In Hindu Arabic numeral, double X, we know that X represents 10. Here there are 2X. So we can write 20 plus. For VI, we write 6. So double X VI represents 26. We have to write the given number in Hindu Arabic numeral. We know that any symbol is repeated at most 3 times. So double X represents 20 and VI represents 6. So 26 represents double X VI in Roman numeral. In this way, in this method, you can write Roman numerals in Hindu Arabic numeral. Similarly, and example 4, in example 4, write the Hindu Arabic numerals corresponding to the following Roman numerals. MXIX. You have to write this number in Hindu Arabic numerals. mxix. We know that m represents 1000 and x represents 10 and ix represents 9. So in Hindu Arabic numerals we write as 1000 because m represents 1000 plus x represents 10 and ix represents 9. Adding we get 1019. So in this way we can convert the Hindu Arabic numerals into Roman numerals, and if you are given question in Roman numerals you can change in Hindu Arabic numerals. So 4 examples have been solved from your book, and using these rules you can solve exercise 1.6. All problems are very easy, and in next class I will start exercise 1.6. I say to you that you will try to solve the problems of this exercise, and if you have any problem then you can ask in next class. Thank you.